tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for small businesses and home creators alike. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Mini D8 DTF printer, a 13-inch compact direct-to-film printer that's packed with innovative features to take your printing to the next level. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge printing technology, this little powerhouse is set to revolutionize the way you create and produce custom apparel, accessories, and more. First off, let's talk about the compact desktop design of the Mini D8. Measuring 35% smaller than traditional A3 DTF printers, this device fits easily on desks in home offices, craft rooms, and small studios, making it perfect for creators working in limited spaces. I mean, who doesn't love the idea of having a professional-grade printer that doesn't take up half the room? The compact design also makes it incredibly portable, so you can take it with you to events, workshops, or client meetings. This feature alone is a total winner for anyone who values flexibility and convenience in their workflow. Another feature that really stood out to me is the one-click ink loading system. This smart system prevents spills and ensures smooth ink flow, allowing you to load CMYK plus 2 white 250 milliliters bottles in seconds and start printing right away. No more tedious ink changes or messy cleanups. It's a total time saver and a huge plus for productivity. The one-click system also minimizes waste and reduces the risk of ink contamination, which is a major concern for anyone who's worked with printers before. It's little touches like this that show the manufacturer has really thought about the user experience and is committed to making printing easier and more efficient. Now, let's dive into the printing capabilities of the Mini D8, which are truly impressive. The XP600 industrial printhead produces rich colors and sharper details with ultra-fine 4.5 PL droplets, making it ideal for dark fabrics, branding graphics, and fine artwork. Whether you're creating custom t-shirts, tote bags, or phone cases, the Mini D8 delivers professional-grade results that will blow your clients away. The printhead is also incredibly durable and long-lasting, with a high level of resistance to clogging and wear and tear. This means you can print batch after batch without worrying about the quality deteriorating over time. In addition to its impressive printing capabilities, the Mini D8 also boasts fast A3 output, printing a full A3 sheet in about 3 minutes. This offers steady output for daily orders, small batch apparel, and on-demand customization, making it perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs who need to produce high-quality products quickly and efficiently. The fast output also means you can take on more clients and projects, growing your business and increasing your revenue. And with the Mini D8, you can do it all with confidence, knowing that your prints will be of the highest quality and consistency. Last but not least, the Mini D8 includes full auto maintenance features, such as automated printhead cleaning, white ink circulation, and moisture spray protection. These features reduce clogging and maintain stable performance, ensuring that your printer runs smoothly and consistently over time. This means you can focus on creating and producing, rather than worrying about maintenance and repairs. The auto maintenance features also extend the lifespan of the printer, saving you money and hassle in the long run. In conclusion, the Mini D8 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse that's packed with innovative features and user benefits. From its compact design to its cutting-edge printing technology, this device is set to revolutionize the way you create and produce custom products. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or hobbyist, the Mini D8 is an investment that will pay for itself many times over. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below too. Get your hands on the Mini D8 DTF printer and start creating, producing, and thriving today. Trust me, you won't regret it.